I didn't want it like so
Is it
thick.
the same that I just said?
So.
Did you like actually feel it? Cause that's not thick.
It looks
You
like
need to touch it. It's not thick at all. That's like a mermaid.
I'm gonna have to make my bow too.
What color? Do you remember?
Red.
Yeah. All right, guys, I'm looking for pink buttons because I have pink buttons going straight down.
There's some buttons right there.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Those are cool. But some pink buttons. I think I'm gonna stick with smaller. Stick with smaller.
So if the dress has buttons already, you gonna take those off and put those on?
Or I could just like glue them on top. That's the thing. I don't know how big they're gonna be.
True.
And I don't want to get them too big. What is it? 244? Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Oh, I was able to find a part of my outfit too, so yay. Progress.
All right, guys, so I found these bows. They're not exactly how the picture is, but I did have a dark pink, I did have a light pink. I grew up, so I'm gonna try something different. And I think there's a cuter, so yeah. All right.
All right, y'all, so I found my shirt. Perfect color and everything. Oh, and I didn't show y'all this. So this is the trim that, I'll insert the picture, but this is the trim that'll go around the low collar, so yeah.
All right, you guys, so we found possibly a jean dress. We're still gonna look around, but this is the closest we found so far, but this is also the first stop we've done, so we'll see. All right. So I found the white turtleneck. Woo, woo, woo.
So you just need to figure out your dress and then you're good, right?
Yeah, because this is a maybe, but I should probably try things on and see how it fits.
Okay.
Show it at the camera.
All right, y'all, so I ordered my shoes. So, no box. Yeah. Classic, or K-Swiss Classics. That's what I had on in the picture.
Narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, shot tree with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, take out, no monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna, watching nothing, no one trying to weave an anaconda, jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water, guys.
All right, you guys, I am getting ready to do the hair portion, light pink, dark pink. We actually got some clips, so we can kind of clip it together, hopefully. They look like they might be a little big. If that's the case, then I'm going to have to put some hair ties in.
I got my big out for Ronald out begging. Begging money, knew I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Athletic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, they run up with the package. I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking Trapping like the knock.
50,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. I'ma always take the money over sex. That's why they need me out the way, what you expect. Got a lot of blood and it's cold. They keep trying to get me for my soul. Thankful for the women that I know.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town.
Yeah, him, in that brand new Gotti, fuck a cop car. Got the club moving like a golf cart. She gon' like me when I'm hotter like a Pop-Tart. I don't even
Good as I can get it. So I got my little bang piece. I had to work with what I had because none of the hair stores had an actual bang piece that would work. So I'm gonna just use this. I glued about 4 tracks together to make it a little thicker. And then I'm gonna put this clip on the back, like right there. And then just clip it, since right now my hair's in locks. So yeah, I'm gonna use this hot glue gun and then let y'all know how it turns out.
got the club moving like a golf cart. She gon' like me when I'm hotter like a Pop-Tart.